everybody, welcome. I hope you guys have been doing great, staying healthy, safe, and all that good stuff. For the month of April, for the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021, Robert Brandt came up with a theme, and for this month you had to find a piece of wood or something to make something out of, and it had to be something you found for free or given to you. Anyway, had to be free, or if you had to buy it, it had to be less than $10. And you had to make something within 24 hours of when you received this, whatever it was. So I thought, yes, no problem, because pretty much all my wood has been given to me. But then he said it had to be done within 24 hours of getting it, so I had to look around and think for a while, and went out the garage, and my neighbor cut down a couple of his Bradford Pear trees, and I saw this nasty piece of wood laying on the ground. So he didn't need it. He told me I could have as much as I wanted, and I got some pieces, but again, that was a while back. So I picked this one up like 10 minutes ago, and we're gonna see what we can make out of it. But before that, I've got some stickers. All right, my first sticker I got from Hugh at Wouldn't It Be Nice. He makes some amazing pieces. He does really good real small segmented pieces for pins. You should go check him out. I mean, that's not all he does. Everything he does is awesome. So you should check his channel out for sure. Trying to get it straight. All right, Hugh, go check him out. Next, I have Bram, the Wadesmill Woodturner. Again, some amazing work. You should go check him out. He is from what we would say across the pond in the UK, I believe. Sorry, Bram. We'll put you right here in the middle. Go check him out. Again, some very, very nice work. And my last one today, I got this from Quentin at Deadwood Casting and Turning, and he sent this out to all of us who are, I don't know if it's just the original ones in the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge, but I'm gonna put this one maybe right here. Speaking of challenges, this one's not one to stick. But I'll get it to work, and I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so I believe I'm going to make a small vase out of this. And the reason I say I believe is, if you've been following me long enough, you know they don't always work out like I planned. So, mass and face shield on. There we go. So I made a bit of a tenon so my jaws would hold on to it. I know it's not perfectly round, but I don't want to get too small for my jaws to hold on to it, so. weird. It smells like popcorn. Last piece of Bradford Pear I turned smelled like pear. Huh. Maybe I'm just craving popcorn. Pretty wet, so I'll put some sealer on it. Here in a little bit I'm gonna hollow this out. See how it goes. This is making me nervous. I've never turned a whole lot that's, ooh, see how loose that is? Yeah, let me do something about that. Put some super glue in there. Be right back. Sure, I'm glad I stopped to check it, because this is that piece that's loose. That right there is all it's holding that thing in. I don't know if it's coming through or not, but it's really less there than what it looks like on camera. I almost messed up. And I'm going to try to put some copper mica powder in there I got from Amazon with some Starbond super fast thin. See how this turns out. And I'm pushing this up from the bottom. Well, you can't see it. Trying to get it before the glue dries, which this super fast thin's not really super fast drying. But sometimes powder, like sawdust and whatnot, will make it dry quicker. I'm hoping that's what this mica powder will do, because I don't have the activator. Alright, so I gotta admit, at first I wasn't sure about this Starbond super quick or super fast thin, because it takes a while to dry, like I said, if you don't have the activator. It runs really fast like water, and I like it, you put it on, I like it to dry fairly quick so you don't have to wait as long. But with this, I like it because it's giving me time to work this powder in, and it's not just drying, setting up and stopping everything up. So it's staying wet long enough to work this powder in to help give it some support. And oops, still not dry. And I don't have to worry about getting the slow stuff that dries slowly, because it's thicker and it's hard to blend these powders in with it. So there's that. So I'm gonna let this dry for a while. I gotta make a phone call for work anyway. I just need to quit and do this all the time, but my family said they gotta eat or something, you know, high maintenance. So anyway, I'm gonna let that dry and do my phone thing, and I'll be back. Alright, work's done for now. This has dried and it's set up pretty hard. Love the mica powder. So yep, let's see how good we do. It doesn't look much like copper, but looks more like some lipstick color or something. I don't judge me. Guess I'm just gonna be stuck with that. I can't turn that down and keep all these. Out. I'm using denatured alcohol to try to clean some of this up. That's not looking too bad. That's turned out okay. Kind of like it. Alright, that was just denatured alcohol to clean the sanding dust off. But if I can get you around here. I don't know if you can see, there's some tool marks and lines and grooves right here. I'm gonna use my orbital sander to smooth those out. Disc sander, not orbital sander, disc sander. Yeah, let's get some salmon sealer on this thing. Take this stupid mask off. Can't breathe. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 more coats on it, and I will bring it back. Alright, so I put 3 coats of sanding sealer on it. I sanded it to 400 just to get the little nubs, nibs, whatever you call it, little bumps and stuff from the sealer. Now we're going to go with some Axe abrasive sanding paste. I'm trying to talk too fast. Not one of my fortes. Alright, now for some finishing touches. Axe polisher storing paste. This is going to be challenging because this is a friction polish and it's going to be hard to get in those wing like areas. Not too shiny right there, but I don't know what I can do for that. It's hard to get in there. Like that shine. Alright, so here is the finished product. What do you guys think? I'll put some better pictures up at the end, as always. I believe this is the first time I've done anything like this. Just kind of, I mean, I've done some natural edge stuff, but not like that. I like this a lot more than I thought I was going to be honest with you. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it, but I really like it. What do you guys think? Either way, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to leave links for Hugh and Bram, and for Quentin, and for Robert also for doing the challenge. Appreciate it, Robert, because probably wouldn't have grabbed that piece of wood and made anything like this if it wasn't for your challenge. I would have just done something, one of the pieces I already got, and this was a good one. So thanks. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and take care. We'll see you in the next one.